Hello everyone. So we had done question number 22 in the previous lecture. Now we will do question number 23. So question number 23 says an express train makes a run of 240 kilometer at a certain speed. Okay, that certain speed is not known to us right now. Okay, another train whose speed is 12 kilometer per hour less than, okay, less than the first train takes an hour longer to make the same trip. Find the speed of the express train in kilometer per hour. Okay, so one is express train. Yes, so it is traveling with certain speed, so that certain speed we can take as x kilometer per hour. Distance that it should cover is 240 kilometer. Okay, now there is another train, okay, which is traveling with speed which is 12 kilometer per hour less than express train's speed. Okay, that means the that train is traveling with x minus 12 kilometer per hour. Okay, distance they have to cover same, so obviously the one which is traveling with the more speed, okay, will take less time. So if I denote t1 time taken by express train, okay, and t2 time taken by the other train, then you can see that t1 will be less than t2. Yes, the reason is express train is moving with greater speed. Yes or no? Comparatively greater speed. So this t1 will be less. Yes or no? And this t2 will be more. Yes, but how much more is given? Yes, it's given that the other train, okay, that this train will take an hour longer, means if you take the difference between the time, okay, so while taking the difference we'll write the greater one first, then minus the smaller one. Yes or no? So t2 minus t1 will be 1 hour, so we'll write 1. Okay, so let us solve this. So here just for your explanation I had made this. Okay, no need to write in your exercise copy. Clear? So solution, let the, okay, do one thing, let me write like this: for express train, okay, we'll write let the speed, I denote this speed by s1, okay, be x, then I can write s1 equal to, sorry, be x kilometer per hour, then I can write x kilometer per hour. Okay, and distance is 240 kilometers. Then t1 will be d upon s, that will be 240 upon x hour. Okay, because kilometer kilometer cancels, you are left with hours. Okay, now for another train, speed, okay, speed will be 12 less than the express train. So express train is x, so x minus 12 kilometer per hour for that train, okay. So and distance they are to cover same, so 240 kilometer, then time taken will be d upon s2, here s1, okay. So we'll get 240 upon x minus 12 hours, okay. So the one which is moving with more speed will take less time, yes or no, and the one which is moving with uh, with smaller speed, okay, low speed, will take more time. So here you can see that another train has got less speed, x minus 12. So obviously this T2 will be greater, more, yes or no. So we can write clearly the other train takes more time, yes or no, it's taking more time. So if I say that the other one is taking more time, that means what? I am trying to say that T2 is greater than T1, yes or no. So how much greater? Okay, so according to question, T2 minus T1 is 1 hour, okay. So now we'll substitute the values. So we get 240 upon x minus 12 minus 240 upon x is equal to 1. Now 240 common, so take it out, 1 upon x minus 12. Now solve inside the bracket, so you get x minus now 240, yes, and here when you open the bracket you get x minus x plus 12, and here you get x square minus 12x is equal to 1. Then you get 240, okay, here x and this cancelled, yes, so you are left with plus 12, so that will multiply over here, yes or no. So you get done. Now cross multiply, so 240 into 12 is equal to x square minus 12x. This can be written as x square minus 12x minus 240 into 12 is equal to 0. Now this 240 into 12, rough, 240 into 12. So forget about 0, we can put it later on, okay. So 2 4s are 8, and here this, so you get, and 0 will be there, okay. So you write it like this. Done. Now you can see it is a quadratic equation, yes or no, in x. It is a quadratic equation in x, yes. You can compare this with general equation quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, so here in place of a we have 1, in place of b we have minus 12, and in place of c we have minus 2880. Okay, so we will do middle term splitting. So somewhere in rough, take this 2 2880. So 2880, so we get so if you see 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. Yes, and then 16 3s are 48, and now check 2 2s are 4. Okay, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So here you can see that minus 60 plus 48 will give you minus 12. Okay, and when you take the product minus 60 into 48, you will get exactly this. Yes, so we got the required two numbers. Okay, so we'll write x square minus 60x plus 48x minus 2880 is equal to 0. So x common, x minus 60 plus 48, x minus 60 is equal to 0. So we get x minus 60 and x plus 48 is equal to 0. Then we got x minus 60 is 0, x plus 48 is equal to 0. So here we got x is equal to 60 and here x equal to minus 48. Yes, but x was considered to be speed. Yes, and speed cannot be negative. Therefore, speed of the express, okay, therefore speed of the express train equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Yes, so you got your answer.